Here are some of the best NordVPN features that many users don't use, but really should, because they go way beyond simple VPN server selection and can significantly boost your privacy, security, and overall experience. 1. Dark Web Monitor, underused but very important. Most users just connect to a VPN and forget about anything else, but Dark Web Monitor actually scans for your email addresses and credentials on leaked databases and alerts you if anything shows up. Helps you detect breaches early so you can change passwords before attackers use your data. Many people don't know it exists or never turn it on. 2. Threat Protection Pro, more than just a VPN tunnel beyond encrypting your traffic. Threat Protection Pro actively blocks malware and trackers, ads and intrusive scripts, harmful websites, even optionally adult content via its adult site blocking filter. This can reduce distractions, cut down on malicious redirects, and keep you safer on every site you visit. 3. Split Tunneling, customize what goes through VPN. Rather than VPNing everything, split tunneling lets you choose which apps or websites use the VPN and which don't. Examples: keep banking apps outside the VPN so TUFA and banking pages work smoothly. Funnel only torrenting or gaming traffic through NordVPN. Many users never enable this even though it's super helpful. The VPN Experts. 3. 4. Dedicated IP, avoid blocks and login hassles. A dedicated IP extra add-on gives you a consistent IP address, invaluable if you log into sensitive systems, use services that block shared VPN IPs, want less frequent security challenges from banks or email providers. Shared IPs can trigger more CAPTCHAs or blocks, while a dedicated one often flows more smoothly. 5. MeshNet, private networks between devices. MeshNet lets you securely connect multiple devices scattered across the internet as if they were on the same local network. Use cases include secure file sharing between your devices, remote desktop access, LAN-style gaming or collaboration. Even though it's not widely used by most subscribers, it's very powerful for personal networking. 6. Obfuscated servers and NordWhisper protocol. These features help you use NordVPN in environments that actively block VPN traffic, like strict firewalls at schools/airports. Obfuscated servers make your traffic look like regular HTTPS so the VPN isn't recognized. NordWhisper, new technology, uses web tunnel methods to bypass VPN blocks where normal connections fail, especially on restricted networks. 7. Double VPN and Onion over VPN, extra privacy layers. Double VPN * routes your traffic through 2 VPN servers for an extra layer of IP and encryption protection, great for sensitive browsing or high-risk situations. Onion over VPN * sends traffic through NordVPN then the Tor network, excellent for anonymity-obsessed users or journalists. 8. Custom DNS settings, speed and privacy tweaks. Instead of using Nord's default DNS servers, you can set your own, example 1.1.1.1 or 9.9.9.9. Benefits: prevent DNS leaks. Sometimes improve performance or content access. Helps with devices/apps that struggle with default DNS settings if left unchanged. 9. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, for your Nord account. This isn't part of the VPN tunnel itself, but securing your account with MFA ensures that even if your password leaks, attackers still can't log in. Many people never set this up despite the added protection. Bottom line *, most people think NordVPN is just for hiding location, but it's much more. Using these lesser-known features can dramatically improve privacy, security, and everyday internet use in ways most users aren't taking advantage of yet.